Withdrawing money from Razorpay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal experience. Step 1. Log into your Razorpay account. Access your Razorpay account by entering your credentials on the Razorpay website or app. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to perform withdrawals. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, find the Payouts or Withdrawals section in the dashboard. This is where you can manage your funds and initiate the withdrawal process. Step 3. Select the amount to withdraw. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Razorpay link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer or other available options. Enter the required details, such as bank account information, if necessary. Step 5. Confirm and submit your withdrawal request. Review all the details of your withdrawal request carefully. Once you are sure everything is correct, confirm and submit your request. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email or Razorpay notifications for updates on the status of your funds.